The Arctic fox, Vulpes lagopus, is a remarkable animal known for its adaptations to one of the most extreme environments on Earth, the Arctic tundra. This small, resilient mammal is native to the Arctic regions of the Northern Hemisphere, including Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, and Russia. It has evolved a set of extraordinary traits that allow it to survive in the freezing temperatures, scarce resources, and challenging living conditions of the polar environment. The Arctic fox is instantly recognizable by its compact, round body, dense fur, and bushy tail, all of which contribute to its thermal efficiency. Its fur changes color with the seasons, from a thick white winter coat that provides camouflage in snow to a shorter brown or gray coat during the summer when the tundra becomes more barren. One of the most notable adaptations of the Arctic fox is its coat. During winter, the fur is dense, insulating, and even covers the fox's paws, an adaptation unique to this species. The paws have a thick layer of fur on their undersides to prevent frostbite, which is why they're sometimes known as lagopus, meaning hare-footed. This white winter coat not only keeps the fox warm but also camouflages it from predators and prey alike. When the seasons change, so does the fox's appearance. It sheds its winter coat for a brown or gray coat that helps it blend in with the summer tundra, which is filled with rocks, soil, and sparse vegetation. Arctic foxes are opportunistic omnivores. Their diet primarily consists of small animals, such as lemmings, voles, hares, and birds. But they will eat whatever is available. In leaner times, they'll scavenge carrion from larger predators, like polar bears, and have been observed trailing them to pick up leftover scraps from their kills. When food is scarce, Arctic foxes are known to store extra food by burying it in the snow or soil, allowing them to have a reserve when hunting conditions are challenging. They can even survive on seaweed and berries when typical prey is unavailable, showcasing their adaptability. Arctic foxes have a unique way of navigating and hunting in their environment. They possess an acute sense of hearing, which enables them to detect prey moving under the snow. When they hear something below, they leap and pounce with precision, breaking through the snow to reach their target. This hunting method, called mousing, is effective for catching small mammals like lemmings, which are their primary prey. Remarkably, lemming populations undergo cyclic fluctuations, and Arctic fox populations closely follow these cycles, with more foxes born during times of lemming abundance and fewer during times of scarcity. The Arctic fox is a highly social and monogamous animal. During the breeding season, pairs mate for life and both parents contribute to raising the young. In spring, the female, or vixen, gives birth to a litter of 4 to 25 kits, though the average is around 6 to 8. This large litter size is an adaptation to the harsh environment, as only a few kits may survive to adulthood. The family group usually stays together through the summer while the kits grow and learn to hunt. By the fall, they disperse to establish their own territories, sometimes traveling hundreds of kilometers in search of food and habitat. Arctic foxes are known for their endurance and nomadic lifestyle, which can take them on journeys that cover vast distances. They have been observed traveling thousands of kilometers in search of food, a testament to their resilience and adaptability. In one famous case, an Arctic fox traveled over 3,500 kilometers from Norway to Canada's high Arctic, crossing sea ice and barren landscapes over the course of several months. This journey highlights their impressive physical endurance and ability to survive in diverse and changing landscapes. These foxes play a vital role in the Arctic ecosystem. As both predator and prey, they are an integral part of the food web, influencing the populations of smaller animals like lemmings, and providing food for larger predators like polar bears, wolves, and golden eagles. By controlling the population of small mammals, they help maintain the balance of their environment. Additionally, as scavengers, they contribute to the cleanliness of the ecosystem by consuming the remains of dead animals, which prevents the spread of disease and provides them with crucial nutrients. In terms of conservation, the Arctic fox faces significant threats from climate change and habitat encroachment. As temperatures rise, red foxes, which are larger and more dominant, are moving northward into Arctic fox territory. This expansion poses a threat, as red foxes often outcompete Arctic foxes for resources and sometimes even kill them. Moreover, climate change is affecting the Arctic tundra, reducing the snow cover and altering the lemming populations that are essential for the survival of Arctic foxes. Conservationists are monitoring these changes, as the survival of the Arctic fox depends on the preservation of its unique environment. In folklore and native cultures, the Arctic fox is often seen as a symbol of resourcefulness and survival. Indigenous peoples have admired the fox's ability to thrive in such harsh conditions and have incorporated it into their stories, myths, and traditions. In Inuit mythology, the Arctic fox is sometimes seen as a trickster figure, embodying cleverness and adaptability. This cultural significance reflects the deep connection between Arctic communities and the wildlife that shares their land. In conclusion, the Arctic fox is an extraordinary example of nature's adaptability and resilience. Its specialized coat, unique hunting techniques, social structure, and impressive endurance allow it to survive in one of the planet's most unforgiving environments. Despite facing challenges from climate change and competition with red foxes, the Arctic fox remains an emblem of the wild, untamed Arctic. Its life, filled with seasonal transformations, epic journeys, and complex social bonds, is a testament to the beauty and tenacity of wildlife in extreme habitats. The Arctic fox not only contributes to its ecosystem, but also serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving the delicate balance of life in the polar regions.